Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Installing PyTorch with GPU support on a Windows machine involves several steps. The installation process may vary slightly depending on your specific setup, such as your GPU hardware and the version of CUDA you have installed. Below is a comprehensive tutorial that will guide you through the installation process. Step 1. Check GPU compatibility. First, you need to ensure that your GPU is compatible with PyTorch. You can check the compatibility of your GPU with CUDA by visiting the NVIDIA CUDA GPUs page, https://developer.nvidia.com/CUDA-GPUs. Step 2. Install NVIDIA drivers. Make sure that you have the appropriate NVIDIA drivers installed for your GPU. You can download the latest drivers from the NVIDIA driver downloads page, https://www.nvidia.com/download/index.aspx. Step 3. Install CUDA and cudnn. 1. Install CUDA toolkit. Depending on the version of PyTorch you wish to install, you will need a compatible version of CUDA. You can find the compatibility matrix on the PyTorch Get Started page, https://pytorch.org/get-started/previous-versions. Download and install the CUDA toolkit from the CUDA toolkit archive, https://developer.nvidia.com/cuda-toolkit-archive. Make sure to follow the installation instructions carefully. To install cudnn, download cudnn from the NVIDIA cudnn page, https://developer.nvidia.com/cudnn. You need to create an NVIDIA developer account to download it. After downloading, extract the files and copy them to the appropriate CUDA folders, usually C \program files \NVIDIA GPU Computing Toolkit \CUDA \VXX.X \. Step 4. Install Anaconda or Miniconda, optional. Using Anaconda or Miniconda is recommended for managing Python environments and packages, especially when working with libraries like PyTorch. 1. Download and install Anaconda or Miniconda from the respective websites. Anaconda, https://www.anaconda.com/products/distribution. Miniconda, https://docs.conda.io/n/latest/miniconda.html. Step 5. Create a new Conda environment. Open the Anaconda prompt, or your terminal, and create a new Conda environment. You can specify the Python version you need, example Python 3.8. Bash. Conda create name pytorch_env Python equals 3.8. Conda activate pytorch_env. Step 6. Install PyTorch with GPU support. Now you can install PyTorch with GPU support. Go to the PyTorch installation page, https://pytorch.org/get-started/locally, and select the appropriate options for your setup, Windows, Conda, Python, and the CUDA version you installed. For example, if you have CUDA 11.7 installed, the command will look like this. Bash. Conda install pytorch torch vision torch audio CUDA toolkit equals 11.7 C pytorch. Step 7. Verify the installation. To verify that PyTorch is installed correctly and can access the GPU, you can run the following code in a Python script or Jupyter notebook. Python. Import torch. Check if CUDA is available. If torch.cuda.is available. Print, if CUDA is available. Using GPU, torch.cuda.get_device_name, 0. else. Print, CUDA is not available. Using CPU. Step 8, run a simple example. You can run a simple example to ensure everything is working correctly. Here's a sample code that performs a basic tensor operation on the GPU. Python. Import torch. Create a tensor and move it to the GPU. X equals torch.rand, 5, 5, .cuda. Y equals torch.rand, 5, 5, .cuda. Perform a tensor operation. Result equals torch.mm, x, y. Print, result. Troubleshooting. If you encounter issues, ensure that your NVIDIA drivers, CUDA and cudnn versions are compatible with the PyTorch version you're trying to install. Check the PyTorch forums or GitHub issues for any installation-specific problems. Conclusion. You have now successfully installed PyTorch with GPU support on your Windows machine. You can start building and training deep learning models using the powerful capabilities of your GPU. Remember to always keep your CUDA and cudnn versions in sync with your PyTorch version for optimal performance.